I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing a purpose-built split screen app. This is the only practical way to run 2 active views on iPhone. Once installed, open the app and grant minimal permissions so it can load web views or app panels. Make sure your phone has network access and at least 20% battery, because loading 2 pages uses more resources. You want a lightweight app that supports dual panes. Pick one, tap Install. Then open it. Don't waste time configuring yet. We'll set panels. Once done, add the 2 views you need. Tap the new split or plus icon to spawn dual panes, then load each pane with a URL, file, or an app tool. That gives you 2 independent sessions. If the app allows, drag the center divider to resize panes to, say, 60/40 for priority content. Make sure to lock or pin a pane when you want one side to stay static while you scroll the other. This reduces accidental reloads and keeps focus where you need it. To finish, save this layout as a bookmark or shortcut inside the app so you can reopen your 2 panes instantly. Test interactions. Tap links, play media, and verify scrolling works independently. If one pane hangs, refresh just that pane or close it and reopen the split. That isolates issues without losing the other view. If crashes persist, clear the app cache, update, or reinstall the app. And make sure iOS is up to date. These steps fix most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.